Are you looking for needle felting tips? If so, then you're on the right video, because today I'm going to share with you 5 needle felting tips to help you become a better fiber artist. Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video, Needle Felting Tips. My name is Iceland, and on this channel, Snowflake Forest Felting, I share needle felting videos, have needle felting tutorials, and share product reviews from time to time. So if you're new and this interests you, please consider subscribing. And if you want to know more about anything you see here on this channel, be sure and check the links down in the description below this video or leave a comment. I'd love to connect with you there. So today, I want to share with you 5 needle felting tips that will help you become a better fiber artist. So let's just get right into them. Number 1 is avoid making floppy items. You're going to want your needle felting projects and creations to come out really firm. Sometimes when you're felting things like a flower stem or something with an extremity, you might even want to use a wire to help keep that item from being floppy, since it can be hard to make things that are really narrow and thin like that. One of the creations you can see where I've used that is when I made the sunflower stem. And remember, with any of these needle felting tools that you see here on this channel, I will have them linked down in the description below and you can learn more there. Now, number 2 is trim your project. This is the final step. You have to do this to make it look completely complete and smooth and get rid of all the excess fibers. And so when you're doing that, make sure you do it in a well-lit area. You can even do that outside, and then the fibers can blow in the wind and the birds can come by and pick it up and make their nests with them. And it's good to get fresh air too. So number 3, start simple and small. If you're a beginner, do something as simple as a heart or a star, and I do have tutorials for those on this channel, and I'll link them down in the description below for you, and you can see those as well. Or if you're making a larger piece where you're going to need to make like a fairy, you're going to want to make the arms and the legs separate and then attach those to the larger body piece and then make them one whole. The number 4 tip that I want to share with you is that it's easier to add wool to your creation than to have to remove it. So start with just adding a little bit of wool and then build up. And lastly, the 5th tip is use a mold if you need to. That's a great way as a beginner to just get an idea for felting and help you create a shape that comes to life without having to put too much imagination into it. You can use specific molds like Clover USA. They have some that are really awesome and I've used and tested as well. Or you can even use something simple like a cookie cutter. And again, I'll have that stuff linked down in the description below for you and you can see more there. And that's it. Those are the 5 needle felting tips that I wanted to share with you today. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please be sure and give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And if there's something you'd like to see me create next, drop it down in the comments below. I might just make it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy felting! Bye!